Welcome back, guys. Today at Back Corner Studios, we are going to test the difference between the I and the O pattern in the SATA X5500. So let's do this. Okay guys, we are in the booth today and we are going to be looking at the I and O patterns from SATA. So they released these different nozzle sets in the X5500 so that they could find a wide range of applications and how we all spray, because we all spray differently. So they designed both with, again, the painter in mind. So we referenced a bunch of, in our previous gun video, all of our different fluid tip sizes and what they were for. And I was referring to the I and the O in a couple of those. So we thought this would be great for us to kind of jump in and show you guys. So we've got two guns loaded up and we're going to kind of compare them right side by side so we can, you guys can see those differences. So, okay guys, so biggest difference is the fluid displacement between the I and the O pattern, okay? So that is the difference. The I pattern has a more even distribution all the way through from top to bottom, where the O pattern, the distribution is more centralized in the center of that pattern. So there's our two main differences. We've got the O loaded up here, and we're going to go straight away and show, okay? Up on there. Okay guys, you can see the heaviness and the lightness. This is not uniform or even. So we just had a little bit of stuff on the air cap there. So we've got that straightened up. So we're going to just go ahead. So now we can see how that's more of that oval, okay? So it's centralized into that center area, all right? So that's kind of the spray pattern of that O. Okay guys, we've got the 1-2I loaded up with some paint on it. So now we can spray that and then we can compare those two differences. Oh my God. So again, apparently I need to clean these guns. Don't leave them sitting around with paint loaded up on them because it's going to dry out and mess your shit up. But anyhow, we're going to roll with this one, guys. We can see that this is a lot more uniform. This is more oval, this is more upright, and it's actually through the center there. There's our main differences between those two spray patterns, okay? The I pattern is going to be a little more for control when you're spraying. If you're typically more of a slower, more controlled, even-keeled sort of sprayer, that's where the I pattern's really going to benefit you in that capacity. And your O pattern is going to be a little more rated for that guy who likes speed, okay? So if you have a really tight overlap with a really fast gun speed, that O pattern is going to be kind of where you're going to want to land if you're looking. And then again, if you're a little more slower paced, a little more even and controlled, then that I pattern is probably going to benefit you more, okay guys? I'm going to go clean these guns up because apparently I need to. And we'll catch you guys later.